In film and television engineering projects, HDMI cable layout is often a headache. For example, if the joint is too large, it is difficult to pass through the pipe. The cable size is too short to be used in large scenes. The cable body is too hard, it will be damaged after a few pulls, and the signal will be lost. Serious signal delay, frequent screen freezes. These problems often lead to the failure of hundreds of thousands of engineering projects. The picture quality is not clear, and the video is not smooth, which is regrettable. In response to the above problems, Bridgee developed the PROF-H18D single-ended detachable HDMI 2.0 fiber optic cable. Let's unpack the package and see what's going. It can be seen that its connector is a detachable design with large and small heads, convenient for routing through pipes. We remove the small head and measure it. It is only 1.37 centimeters wide and 3.52 centimeters long. Such a small volume is very easy to pass through the tube. Let's try a round tube and pass it through easy to go. After the small head pass through the pipe, insert the large head along the slide rail, and the signal can be transmitted in. PROF-H18D's large and small heads are all 24K gold-plated, which can effectively prevent connector oxidation and ensure smooth signal connection. The plug shell is made of zinc alloy, which is durable and protects the internal light. Electrical modules are not damaged. German chips and American laser device used inside ensures a long lifespan. The cable has passed FCC, RoHS testing and certification, in line with quality and environmental protection standard. There is a groove at the connection of the big head, and the non-slip design is convenient for the connection of the small head. The other end has threads on the side, which is also a thoughtful non-slip design for easy use. The tail part has a long and reinforced tail sleeve design to protect the cable from loosening. The cable body has a clear directional mark, and the display end is connected to a TV, projector, etc. The source end is connected to the player, computer. The OM310 gigabit multimode fiber used inside the cable ensures no delay, efficient and stable transmission of signals. Next, we use this professional HDMI 2.0 protocol analyzer to measure the actual parameters of the cable. The test results are as expected. This cable passes the test perfectly and supports the performance required by HDMI 2.0 standard such as 4K at 60 Hz and 18 gigabits per second. This is a 4K TV. Let's take a look at the actual performance effect. After connecting the device, we opened a 4K video, and the picture is very clear and smooth. Now, we call up the display parameters, which is great. The parameters of 4K at 60 Hz BT2020 indicate that the cable is transmitting 4K signals efficiently and stably. What is the effect of this cable in a home theater? We connect it to a projector and Blu-ray player. The picture is brilliant and vivid. If you want to know more details about product information, you can visit bridgee.cc.